Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We have got a superfood episode for you today. We're making an acai bowl. I don't know about you, but whoever invented breakfast that looks like ice cream is okay by me. Yeah, they say it's full of antioxidants and all this great stuff for aging and weight loss, blah, 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 whatever. It's dessert to me. So let's get chillin' and bring it. So what you're gonna need is acai puree, a banana, frozen fruit, almond milk, strawberries, granola, blueberries, and coconut. You'll also need a blender, spoon, and a small but mighty sharp knife. The first time I ever heard the word acai was about 10 years ago when a good friend of mine came back from a mission trip in Brazil. She brought back a ton of cool gifts to give to her supporters, and one of those gifts was actually jewelry that was made out of the seed of the acai berry. Now, I don't have to tell you, shortly thereafter, acai berries became all the rage because of their superfood qualities. They are just packed with antioxidants. But what are they? They're the berry that grows on a palm tree that's indigenous to Central and South America. It's actually the same palm tree that's used to make hearts of palm. You can get it in powder form at health food stores, but I actually prefer the puree that's available in grocery stores. So we're gonna start our acai bowl by adding the acai puree. Now this has a little bit of a chalky texture. It's also rather bitter, almost like a cranberry. So we do need to add some sweetness. And to do that, I'm gonna add a banana. And then we're gonna add some frozen berries. Now I'm using a combination of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Also have some frozen cherries in there. I love this combination because it helps to keep that great purple color. And to this we're gonna add some liquid that will help it to blend a little bit easier. I am using almond milk, but you can use any type of liquid that you want. You can use water. You can also use different types of milk or any type of juice works great. And then we will just blend it up. All right, let's give this a look. Oh yeah, look at that consistency. That's what we're looking for. Let's put this bowl together. So I've transferred our mixture into our serving bowl. Here comes the fun part, topping it off with all these great toppings. Now you can put whatever you like, fresh fruit, nuts, seeds. Hey, I've learned that chia seeds are no longer for chia pets. You can eat them. Well, today we are starting with a little bit of granola. So this granola has some flaxseed and some pumpkin seeds. We'll just sprinkle that right on top. I like to have a little bit of texture throughout. And since we're celebrating Memorial Day weekend, I thought I'd make a little flag pattern to our bowl. Put a little blueberries here up in the corner. Then a little unsweetened coconut. We'll throw a stripe of that on there. And then some strawberries. Let's do some more coconut. Then we'll throw some more strawberries on there. So check that out. Is that not gorgeous? Hey, it looks great. It's great for you. Go get the recipe for it. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make an acai bowl in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen, Big Taste. Dessert for breakfast. Blend it up. If I can blend it up. It's got 2 buttons to go.